Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the 90s AI yearbook trend video on TikTok. So if you've been scrolling through TikTok and you've been seeing this new trend where users are creating the 90s yearbook style trend videos. So let me show you how to create this video trend on your phone. So to create this video trend, there's two ways. The first one is your free way and the second one is paid. So let me show you the free way first, and then I'll show you the paid way. So to create this video trend, first you want to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Here you can go ahead and tap on search, and here you're searching for the hashtag 90s yearbook trend. Now in the search results, you're looking for photos which you want to copy. So for example, this one here. Now if you like this, go ahead and take a screenshot, swipe through their pictures and take a screenshot. Now once that's done, go back to your photos and crop all those photos so that you remove the top and the bottom. Now once you have cropped it, go back to your home screen, open your Safari, and here you're searching for AI Art Guru. So in the search results, you're looking for the face swap online link, which is right here, just under AI art generator. Go ahead and tap on that. This will now bring you to the face swap online page. So here you want to go ahead and tap on add face and add your face. Now next, you want to scroll down, and from here you want to go ahead and select the yearbook style photo. So for example, this one here, or this one here, or if you don't like any of them, you can go ahead and select your own. So go ahead and tap on this where you can upload a photo to reface. So select a photo library and select the photo which we took a screenshot of. So for example, this one here, then tap on done. Now you need to do this all one by one. So here, once you've uploaded it, go ahead and select the face. So here, this is the source face and this is what you replace it with. So you want that face onto that picture. Now go ahead and tap on generate. And now as you can see, your number 2280. So your wait time is about 8 minutes and 33 seconds. So just wait and it'll create the photo for you. So just before creating this video, I tried it out myself and I created these two photos. So using this process is a free way and you can create your photos one by one. Now let me show you the second way of doing this, which is through an app, and you will need to make some payments for it. So in your app store, you want to go ahead and tap on search, and here you're searching for EPIK. So this is the app which you need to download. So it's EPIK AI Photo Editor. So go ahead and download this app. Now once that's downloaded, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app here, you want to go ahead and select the 90s throwback. Go ahead and tap on try AI yearbook and then tap on try now. Now here you can go ahead and tap on continue. On the next screen here, you want to go ahead and upload some selfies of yourself. Select the gender, tap on continue. Now on this screen here, you'll need to make a payment. So you can choose standard or express. But for now, as you can see, both of them have been sold out. I would just suggest wait for a while and the options will reappear again. Now, once you've made the payment, you can then use this app here to create your 90s yearbook photos. Now, the last process of creating this 90s yearbook AI trend video is basically taking all those pictures and creating a TikTok video. So to do this, you want to go into TikTok. Here you're searching for the 90s yearbook photos. Now you can go ahead and tap on any one of those who are doing the trend. So for example, this one here. So this is how you want to portray your photos. So within those videos, you're looking for CapCut Try This Template, which will just be above the username. If you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now, if you don't see this CapCut Try This Template, you will need an app, which is called CapCut. This is a free video editor, which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So search for CapCut on your Google Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and download that. Once that's downloaded, return back to TikTok and then tap on CapCut Try This Template. This will show you the template which you're going to use. Tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut and show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now here you want to go ahead and select some photos from your phone library. So select Photos. And here I'll just select some photos. Then tap on Preview. This will now create you the 90s yearbook AI trend video. Now once you're happy with the video, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now unfortunately, this template doesn't have the sound, so go ahead and tap on Sound at the bottom right. And here you're searching for the 90s yearbook photos, and here you're going ahead and here, and the good part, okay, and now in the search results you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, now in the search results you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend which is related to your sound. Now in the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend, which is related to your video. So for example, this one here, you can press play and preview the video. Now in the search results, you're looking for those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here, you can tap on play and preview the sound. As you can see, it's similar to what you're doing. So go ahead and tap on the tick, and this will add the sound to your video as well. Now you can go ahead and add any stickers, text, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create the AI yearbook trend video on your phone. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.